Hey guys! My name is Hey guys. Welcome to a new video. So today we're gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's Help Wanted. So I have this one right now, too. So but my dick, okay, there we go. Is this game broken? Nothing's working. Like, I literally don't see anything. Oh. Okay.
Welcome to the Freddy Fazbear Virtual Experience. Use the console in front of you to navigate the menu and pick one of the frightening experiences available. By completing these scenarios, more will become available. You'll see plenty of familiar faces and some new ones as well. So stay a while and have a...
I'm gonna do this only one video. Only in one part and everything. That's it. Cause I'm gonna make more videos. And make a series.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets.
Oh, no,
First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
Like his left or my left? Just my left. Oh shit! Oh, okay. It was his left. His left. I'll be quiet. Go. Shh. No witnesses.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left. Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it. Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle. Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should hear two small clicks. Well done.
Oh, shit.
You now have access to Bonnie's harmonization module. Press the blinking button inside Bonnie's secondary throat pipe to enter calibration mode. Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the blinking button again to verify your work. Great job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them, then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day.
There. Right there.
Well done. That concludes your Parts and Services task. See you next time.
I don't know what I did. Okay, this is gonna be like a short video, but I guess that's gonna be it. It was just only gonna be like a quick game. So yeah, alright guys.